In this video, I'll show you how to find your old tax returns on TurboTax. Now, let's say you have an old tax return in which you have uploaded within TurboTax. From there, you have stated the year and you want to find a way to download it. Now, in order for you to do that, simply head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And below Tax Home, you want to choose the second option, which is Documents. Now, within the Document section, this will be the list of all of the things in which you have uploaded within your TurboTax account. So as you can see here, I have a W-2 form in which I have uploaded. On the right-hand side, it will show you when it was updated or when it was downloaded, as well as the source. Now, let's say you have an old tax return, then just simply head over to View Documents From, click on the drop-down, and from here you can choose a specific year. So let's say it will be in 2020. It will fetch all of the documents from your TurboTax account, and from there, you'll be able to download it. Now, let's say we did find the old tax return. Then on the right hand side, we can just simply click on the three dots for more actions. At the bottom, we can download, edit, or delete. If you just want to preview it, then just simply click on the file and it will show you the preview of that old tax return. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.